Federal agents once focused on child exploitation, drug trafficking, and financial crimes are now being reassigned to immigration enforcement under a sweeping directive from President Donald Trump. His administration has mobilized thousands of federal law enforcement officials from the FBI and DEA to IRS and Homeland Security investigations to detain and deport undocumented immigrants, pulling crucial resources away from traditional crime-fighting efforts. Approximately 80% of ATF agents and a quarter of DEA staff are now involved in immigration duties with minimal training. Even IRS and State Department agents have been redirected to assist in raids, surveillance, and arrests. Homeland Security has launched knock-and-talk visits and stop-and-frisk-style operations targeting undocumented immigrants. Critics, including former federal officials and lawmakers like Senator Dick Durbin, warn the redirection is harming investigations into child abuse, terrorism, and corporate fraud. Homeland Security insists the shift protects American citizens, although immigration prosecutions have surged while drug and financial crimes cases lag. The operation is one of the most significant reorganizations of federal law enforcement since 9/11, yet many question its legal boundaries and human cost.